VOOX Exchange is a cutting-edge cryptocurrency trading platform established in 2022 and headquartered in Singapore. By integrating advanced AI technology, VOOX aims to deliver a seamless and efficient trading experience for users worldwide. The platform is designed to meet the demands of modern traders, offering innovative tools and features that enhance both accessibility and performance. With its global reach and commitment to technological advancement, VOOX Exchange positions itself as a forward-thinking solution in the rapidly evolving digital asset market. VOOX Exchange offers a wide range of trading features designed to meet the needs of both new and experienced investors. Users can engage in spot trading for direct asset purchases, margin trading to leverage positions, and futures trading for advanced strategies. The platform also introduces copy trading, allowing individuals to replicate the strategies of professional traders with ease. Enhanced by cutting-edge AI technology, VOOX enables users to access sophisticated trading strategies and real-time analytics. This combination of diverse options and flexibility helps investors adapt to changing market conditions and pursue their financial goals more effectively. VOOX Exchange offers an upgraded perpetual futures trading feature designed to provide users with a highly liquid and efficient trading environment. This advanced system supports multi-asset trading and is equipped with sophisticated tools that cater to both novice and experienced traders. The platform's enhanced fee structure helps maximize profitability while maintaining transparency. Additionally, VOOX's copy trading feature allows users to replicate the strategies of professional investors with just a single click. Real-time analytics and flexible tracking options empower users to make informed decisions based on transparent performance metrics. Together, these features enable traders to access cutting-edge technology and benefit from expert insights, all within a secure and streamlined platform. To get started with VOOX Exchange, begin by visiting the official website and registering for an account using your email address or phone number. Once you've created your account, you'll need to complete the identity verification process, which is essential for enabling deposits, withdrawals, and full access to trading features. After your identity is verified, transfer cryptocurrency from your personal wallet into your VOOX account to fund your trading activities. With your account funded, you can explore a variety of trading products, including spot trading, margin trading, futures, and copy trading. The platform's user-friendly interface and integrated AI tools are designed to help beginners navigate the trading process smoothly. If you encounter any issues, VOOX offers 24/7 customer support with multi-language assistance to ensure you receive timely help. This step-by-step approach allows new users to confidently begin their trading journey on VOOX Exchange. VOOX Exchange places a strong emphasis on security to safeguard user assets. The platform has partnered with Hacken, a leading blockchain security firm, to conduct thorough audits of its smart contracts. This collaboration ensures that vulnerabilities are identified and addressed, reducing the risk of exploitation. Additionally, VOOX has enhanced its infrastructure with advanced security measures to provide a robust trading environment. These efforts are designed to protect user funds and maintain the integrity of the platform. By prioritizing security, VOOX aims to build trust and confidence among its global user base. When considering VOOX Exchange, it is important to be aware of concerns raised by third-party reviews regarding its reliability. Some independent websites have reported the presence of similar platforms hosted on the same server, which have received low trust ratings. Additionally, there have been allegations of fraudulent activity associated with related sites. While VOOX claims to offer robust security measures and has partnered with reputable firms for smart contract auditing, users are strongly advised to exercise caution. Conducting thorough research and verifying information before engaging in any transactions can help mitigate potential risks. Ultimately, a careful approach is recommended to ensure a safe trading experience. VOOX Exchange stands out with its innovative integration of AI technology, offering a wide range of trading options such as spot, margin, futures, and copy trading. The platform provides advanced tools, high liquidity, and efficient fee structures, making it attractive for both new and experienced traders. Its 24/7 customer support and multi-language assistance further enhance the user experience. However, potential users should be aware of reliability concerns raised by some review sites, including reports of similar websites with low trust scores and scam alerts. While VOOX has partnered with reputable security firms to strengthen its infrastructure, it is essential for investors to conduct thorough research before engaging with the platform. With its ongoing development and feature expansion, VOOX Exchange shows promising potential, but caution and informed decision-making remain crucial for new investors.